Guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to have a look at my camellia plants. Here it is, Camellia du Japon. It's French, so it's called Japanese camellia. So first I'm telling you how to separate it and make it into 3 plants. Actually, last year I bought it at 10 euro, okay, from the local shop. And 3 of these plants, they put it together. I'm pretty sure the first year they give the nutrition in the water, so it makes flowers. But the next year, I'm not sure. That's why after the flower, I clean it up, the roots. I dig it out, I clean up the roots and separate. Some of them are not even so much together. So I separate them and put in them to the different pots and then give a little bit fertilizer. It's the same horse shit I used to use. It's not fresh. Be careful because you use fresh horse shit or cow shit is going to ferment and burn the roots, and don't use much. And make sure it's well mixed. And in your local market, I'm pretty sure you can find some earth already mixed with the different fertilizers, which is going to be good. They say it's going to make different flowers, but I didn't. Actually, this is a transplant one, I guess. Anyway, so it explains, actually does not like too much sunshine. So by doing this way, you're going to have different plants. And if you're lucky enough, if it grows well, put it in the shadow all the time. Because here in south of France, in summer, it's really hot. It can rise to 40 degrees for a couple of days. The other time, from August to nearly October, on average, it's more than 30 degrees. So the camellia does not like that, because I have another one I'm going to show it to you. So by doing this, you're going to have different camellia plants, and as you can see, it's making flowers. Now it's February. Okay. And if you want to have the flowers each year and want it really to grow well, you really have to put into the big pots. Let's have a look at the other one I bought. I think it's different species. I bought 3, actually. This one it's the same. Okay, camellia. It's the same. This one, when I bought it, it was in a small pot like over there. But later I changed it to a huge pot, as you can see. Let me move this away. That's its roots, or it's already compacted and it grows everywhere. So I changed the pots and put it into a bigger pot and give a bit of fertilizer. And this year, as you can see, the buds. Wow, that's exciting. That's satisfying. It does not make fruits, but it makes a lot of nice flowers. This is different. I will show it to you later when to make flowers. And there's a different shape. The variety, as I think, it's different. This is good. And unfortunately, I have the third one didn't succeed. It dies. It didn't. It's nearly died. I bought it from different shop, but the flower is different. This one really looks like the photo, but this one I bought, it's round. It's really nice and round shape. I love it. But I don't know what happened. It's all the same mud, same earth, but this one didn't survive. About a month ago, I see the leaves just start to dry, and I don't know what happened. So I think maybe just lack of water. Then, as time goes by, it does not seem to grow any better. So yesterday, I forget to take the video. All the leaves are getting like this. It's not only one day. It's a slow process. So I try to rescue it. What I did now is I have to dig it out to wash away all the mud to check if there's some rotten roots or some too much insects. Sometimes it can do the damage. But it seems the roots didn't grow. So I wash away all the mud. Wash away everything. What I do now is put in the sand. So just put the moisture, and I cut off all the leaves. Just leave a little bit at the beginning. So I hope this will rescue it. If it actually is 2 plants. Until yesterday I found it is 2 plants. I hope it's going to grow well. Oh no, I hope it will recover. If it make its life, I will be happy. So that's it. That's about the camellia. Thanks for watching. See you next time.